Hi everyone. Today I'll be making crispy oatmeal cookies. What all goes into the crispy oatmeal cookies? 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, that's 2 sticks. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 cup brown sugar, packed. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 1½ cups flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 3 cups old-fashioned rolled oats. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a bowl, dump in your 1½ cups of flour, your 1 teaspoon of baking soda, your 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, your 1/2 teaspoon salt, and your 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix that until combined. Take a large bowl, put in your 1 cup of softened butter, your 1 cup of granulated sugar, your 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and mix that until light and fluffy. Add your eggs one at a time, beating after each addition. Then mix in your vanilla. Then add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients gradually and stir until just combined. Then stir in your 3 cups of rolled old-fashioned oats until evenly distributed. Take a couple of baking sheets and line them with parchment paper. I have 2 here because it doesn't quite fit. Take a tablespoon scooper and put these about 2 inches apart. They're going to spread, and I have a habit of putting them too close together and they run into each other. So I'm only going to do 2 per line. I don't know how many of these make that called for 2 cookie sheets, but I have a feeling I'm going to be needing more. Dave likes oatmeal cookies. I don't know if he likes crispy ones or not. We'll find out. He likes cookies, so I don't think we're going to have a problem. Put this in a preheated 350-degree oven. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are set. So after 13 minutes, I took them out of the oven. They are brown around the edges and they are set in the middle. You can cook them a little bit longer if you want them even more crispy. Just be careful not to burn them. We'll let them set for a couple of minutes on the pan and then we will transfer them to a wire rack. Here are the crispy oatmeal cookies. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I like that, it's crispy.
Those are crispy oatmeal cookies.
I like that.
Well, good, because it made 47 of them.
I don't think they're gonna last long. I'm pretty sure.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.